Hey guys, how are you doing today? Hey guys, I normally do Spanish stuff, but in this case I'm going to do it in English because most of the views on YouTube is in English regarding the CJs and the Jeeps and this kind of modifications. So, well, in this case, I was wondering if you can tell me if this modification I already do to my setup is worth it. So let's check it out. Okay, I was wondering if I can look for a muffler that is cheaper than the Flowmaster. I found one. It is a Flo Pro. Normally people say that Flo Pro is for diesel trucks or hard heavy trucks. I pay like 30 to 35 bucks, something like that, so it's really cheap. So tell me, do you think this worth it? I think the sound is really good. Maybe it's not the Flowmaster Super 40 or the 40 Delta Flow, but I think it's really good. So let's go and find out. Okay guys, so tell me, do you think this is worth it? I hear it and it sounds really good. It's pretty good for me. The throttle response and the acceleration power seems to be really good. In the past I had a Dynamax Turbo something like that. I don't remember really good, but the sound was like almost like the stock mufflers. So I was trying to look for something more muscle like Flowmasters. The problem is that Flowmaster is it has a really high price, like between 95 to 120 USD. Plus, since I live in Costa Rica, I need to bring from US to Costa Rica, so between the taxes and the shipping and all that, normally will cost about the double. So I don't want to do that. So in this case I bought the Flo Pro for the price, really cheap, and the few comments or videos that are on YouTube, they tell that is the best option as well as Flowmaster. So thank you very much for viewing my video. If you like, please subscribe and also comment below, and thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.